So for decades, men have been told that we're evil and we're the scum of the earth and we're the worst, right? But now the big thing is, what happened to all the men? There's no men. Where are all the men? You want me to tell you where the men are? Go to a light switch. Turn it on. Do the lights come on? You're welcome from men. Now, I'm very appreciative of our sisters who are out there working the power lines, but it's 99% men. Now, when you go to the grocery store, is there food that you can eat so you don't die? Men. Is an enemy army invading your neighborhood, throwing you into a slave camp? No, that's not happening. Is that not happening because you have set up fortifications to protect yourself, to defend your neighborhood from? No, you have no. Oh, that's because of men also. Now, I'm not saying there are no bad men in the world. There are plenty of bad men. There are plenty of bad people. But as long as the lights are coming on and you can live a relatively safe life, that means there are a lot of very good men doing the stuff that needs to be done.